Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 28. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Launch your SolidWorks software, click on New, select the part, and then OK. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. At the start, we select the right side plane, and make this L-shaped profile according to dimensions. Then extrude this up to given dimension. Next, we make this rectangular cutout at the bottom. Then, we make this slot cutout. Then, make a blind deep cut of this profile. At the last, we make a circular cutout. Our model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the right side plane for the sketch. Take a corner rectangle tool. Start drawing with the origin point in this direction. Like this. Enter the 25 mm width of the rectangle, and 145 mm in length for the rectangle. Similarly, draw a corner rectangle from the origin point. Like this way. Enter the 90 mm width of the rectangle, and 36 mm in length for the rectangle. Here we do not trim intersecting edges of the entities. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Here multiple profiles are detected, because we didn't trim them as a single profile. Now we go with Select Counters. Select all profiles detected, like this. Select Mid-Plane option for extruding direction. Put the extruding value 72 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Select this face for the sketch. Draw a corner rectangle from this corner point. Like this way. Enter the 6 mm width of the rectangle, and 72 mm in length for the rectangle. Select the Extruded Cut tool from the Feature tab. The rectangular profile is automatically detected for the cutout. Put the extruding cut value 50 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Now we make this cutout with a slot tool. Select this face for the sketch. Take Slot tool, and start to draw the slot from this midpoint of the edge to the vertically straight down the side. Put the value 50 mm length of the slot, and 24 mm width of the slot. That's enough. Select the Extruded Cut tool from the Feature tab. Select through all options for extruded cut direction. See the preview and click on OK. Now, we make this profile for cutout. Select this face for the sketch. Select Center Rectangle tool. Get tracking reference for the midpoint of this edge. And approximately I select here, the center point of the rectangle. Next corner point I place on this edge. Like this. Set the dimension between this bottom line of the rectangle to the bottom edge of the solid. 30 mm. Similarly, set the dimension between this top line of the rectangle to the top edge of the solid. 24 mm. Draw the circle with the center point of the rectangle. Put the diameter 60 mm. Here we do not waste time trimming intersecting edges. Just select Extruded Cut tool. Select all profile counters to cut out, as we did previously. Here we enter the cutout blind value of 12 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Next, we make this circular cutout. Select this face for the sketch. Draw a circle with the center point of this arc. Put the diameter 24 mm. Select Extruded Cut tool, and this time we select through all options for extruded cut direction. Just click on OK. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.